What's up, guys? Welcome back. So today what we're going to be doing is replacing the belt on my 300 CE Baja build. Unfortunately, we took it out the other day and we ripped the belt completely off. So today I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to do that. So to start with, these are the tools you're going to need. It's going to be a 3/8 ratchet, a 19 mil socket for the tensioner, a 13 mil socket for the tensioner. You're going to need a 6 mil Allen key for the clutch fan. Obviously your 1/4 inch for the 6 mil. You're going to need a Phillips screwdriver, a long pair of needle nose. I like to just throw some electrical tape on it with a 4.5 millimeter Allen key. You do have to cut the Allen key a little bit shorter at the end over here, just a little bit, so that way you can fit it behind here. It's a little hard to tell, I know, but there is a groove in there. You're going to push the Allen key right in there so you can lock the clutch fan to take it off. And then obviously you're going to need your belt. This is the part number that I'm using, and it is a Goodyear belt. We did just buy it from Amazon just so we can get here a little quicker, and I didn't have to leave the house, make it a little convenient. But first and foremost, you're going to take off this hose right here. You just push in this clip like this, and then you're going to need the Phillips. Take off this and then go ahead and push the hose right to the side. Okay, now that that's out of the way, we're going to go ahead and pull off this little clip right here for the clutch fan, as well as this guy right here for the clutch fan. But right before we do that, as you can see on top of the fan, it says open and close. That's literally just to turn this guy just like that, and then you push it right to the side. And then when you push this right here out of the way, you'll be able to pull this guy right out. Alrighty, now as you can see, it came out with a little bit of persuasion. You just basically wiggle that guy right out, just like I said, and it'll come right up. That's if your car even has this. Some cars don't have it, especially if they've been worked on in the past, not by you or by somebody else, just in general. So now what you're going to do is grab your long pliers, your 6 mil. You're going to go ahead and put that guy back here. The 6 mil is going to go right in here, and then just go ahead and pop that guy off. Okay, so unfortunately it looks like somebody has stripped out my center bolt, which means that I'm not going to be able to get it out. So the next thing you can do, just to remove these plastic fins right here, is there is 3 bolts. I don't know if you can see them. They're going to be right here on the side. There's 1, 2, and then 3. You're going to take out the 3 bolts on the side, and you're going to take off this plastic cover right here. The size to take out these 3 bolts right here, I apologize, is going to be a 5 millimeter. So let's go ahead and add that to the list. I'll make sure I put it in the nice little thing. So now that you have that out of the way, next what you're going to want to do is take your 19 mil and your 3/8 ratchet. You're going to be putting it down here on this guy right here for the tensioner. So it's a little hard to see up here because obviously you got your belts and stuff in the way. But down there you have your big tensioner bolt. What you're going to do is loosen that first, and then you're going to start loosening this. When you do that, you're going to start relieving tension off of the belt itself, and that's going to be this pulley right here. Obviously I don't have to do that because, well, I don't have a belt on anymore because mine exploded. But after that step, what you're going to do is take the belt off, put on the new belt. And if you need a belt diagram, I'll go ahead and put one right here so you guys can see it. And then you basically just reverse the 3 steps. Please do not forget, though, it is very important that you do loosen this 19 mil bolt first that's down here before you start loosening this, because you can break the tensioner itself. You need to release a little bit of tension off that bolt first. When you do that, then you go ahead and put it on. So let's go ahead and put the belt on real quick. Okay guys, so as you can see, the belt is on the car. This setup does not have a smog pump, by the way. I know that some of you guys are going to have a smog pump. It's pretty much the exact same process. You're just going to have one extra pulley to deal with. So your belt size is going to be different than this one. I will make sure I put that in the beginning of the video. I do apologize. But other than that, what you're going to do is you're going to tighten this guy back up right here. And then when you have this right here tight and you have some nice little tension on it, what you're going to do is put the 19 mil back on under here for the main tensioner. You're going to tighten that guy up, and then that's going to be it. My shock ended up being messed up. It was actually seized. I highly doubt your guys' is going to be like that, but if it is, obviously you're going to have to do a little bit more work. But I did have to just take that off right there. It is a 13 mil with a nut and washer. Here it is right here. The washer goes on the back, and then obviously the bolt side goes on the front. But other than that, that's pretty much all you have to do. And then pop these guys back on. I am not going to be using the clutch fan anymore. I personally don't like the clutch fan, especially out here in Arizona. I will be installing a full electric fan, especially for the Baja build, because I mean it does get extremely hot. But other than that, I mean, that's all there is to it, guys. It's a pretty easy job. If you guys would like to see anything else, please let me know. I'll be more than happy to make a video on it. I do apologize, we haven't been making any DIY videos, and I haven't shown you guys how to do the EFI yet. It has been extremely hot out here. I think today it's 118 degrees, and it's going to be like that for like the next week. I'll go ahead and show you guys right here. It's been miserable, so I'm not really working on any cars. I'm kind of just playing around and having a little bit of fun. So the DIY videos are definitely going to slow down a little bit, or if I do post them, it's going to be probably dark when I do it. But again, thank you guys so much for all your support. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe if you want to see more. Thank you so much. We'll see you guys in the next video.